All right, guys, let's talk about something. The tech press keeps dancing around. ARM isn't coming someday. ARM isn't maybe. ARM isn't trending. ARM is the next architecture, period. And NVIDIA knows it. They've known it longer than anyone else. See, NVIDIA isn't stupid. They've been watching the same shift. We've all been watching. The move from big power-hungry desktop chips to small, efficient smartphone-style SoCs. Everything in one chip. CPU, GPU, NPU, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, memory controller, all fused together. No giant GPU required. And here's the part nobody wants to say out loud. When everything is on one chip, there's no room for NVIDIA's old business model. That's why they walked away from their own ARM devices, not because ARM failed, but because ARM succeeded too well. ARM laptops don't need 300-watt GPU. ARM handhelds don't need a discrete graphic card. ARM tablets don't need PCIe slots. ARM is the future of efficient computing, and NVIDIA knows it. So what do? They pivot hard. They go where ARM can't replace them. AI data centers, self-driving cars, robotics, cloud computing, enterprise AI. That's where the money is. That's where the future is. And honestly, that's where NVIDIA shines. Meanwhile, Windows is over here trying to drag its 30-year-old architecture into ARM like a suitcase with a broken wheel, and users already figured it out. If you're going ARM, you might as well go Linux, because Linux actually understands ARM. Linux has been running ARM for a decade. Linux doesn't need emulation or translation layers or corporate promises, and that's the sovereign twist. ARM isn't killing Windows, ARM is freezing people from Windows. NVIDIA sees it, Linux sees it, and the industry sees it. And a whole lot of users are about to see it. ARM laptops aren't coming. ARM desktops, ARMed laptops are coming. ARMed desktops are coming. ARM servers are coming. And the good chunk of those users are going to skip Windows entirely and go straight to Linux, because Linux actually works on ARM without drama. So yeah, like it or not, ARM is taking over. And NVIDIA, they're not fighting it. They're preparing for the world ARM creates. That's the sovereignty. That's the shift. And that's the ramble. Like, follow, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.